Welcome. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to enable interface animations on the Telegram app for PC, step by step. This feature was recently added with a new update, and turning it on can make your experience with Telegram smoother, more dynamic, and visually engaging. Let's dive right in. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're running the latest version so you have access to the new options. Once the app is open, look to the very top left corner of the window. You'll see three small horizontal lines. This is the main menu button. Click on it and a side panel will slide open. From there, scroll through the menu until you find the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice a variety of categories that help you customize Telegram. The one we're looking for is called Battery and Animations. Select it to continue. Now in this section, you'll see a few options related to performance and how Telegram runs on your device. Look for the switch or toggle that says Interface Animations. By default, it might be turned off to save system resources, especially if you're using Telegram on an older machine. Simply enable this option by clicking on it. Once it's switched on, Telegram will be able to show smooth transitions and interface effects whenever you navigate through chats and menus. After enabling the animations, don't forget to save your changes. You'll see a Save button. Click on it to make sure everything is applied. If you skip this step, the setting won't take effect, so saving is important. And that's it. You've successfully turned on interface animations in the Telegram PC app. From now on, as you move around the app, you'll notice a polished look with subtle but noticeable movements that make the interface feel lively and modern. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to share it with others who might want to make their Telegram experience more enjoyable. Thanks for watching.